Hi, I am Dr. Neha and today I have brought a very interesting video for you all, and I am going to discuss last year's top 3, or you can say wonderful laboratory tools which were very cool and which helped us chemists to work on our reactions. I have taken a reference of this article. I was just watching through that article and I thought I should share this experience with you. So let us see the first one. First one is a rotary reactor, and this reactor even synthesizes molecule as it spins. So basically it is a whirling reactor which moves, which let us run a small scale transformation with several steps. And we can separate the product also of these reactions, and without using any complicated fluidics or mixtures. So basically Bartos, Grabowski and Crow workers have designed this wonderful whirling reactor which whips around speed of 5400 revolutions per minute, and when it revolves based on centripetal force from that a fast rotation, it arranges the solution into separate layers according to the density. So you may say that the densest layer form the outer ring and the least dense layer make up that spinning core. And by taking up those reagents and products that are soluble in these different layers, the researchers can let their compounds travel through the layers as the reaction is taking place. So the wonderful thing here is that it is synthesizing the molecule. At the same time, these layers don't mix, and even when they are very scant 150 μm across, and now you can imagine the 150 μm, that is about twice the width of human hair, and even then the layers don't mix. So that is a wonderful tool. Let us go to the next one. As per this article, they say there is one stirrer which is very, you can call it as a smart stirrer bar. Why you call it as a smart? Because it is a magnetic stirrer bar. When you put it in the reaction, it not only stir the solution, but it helps you to measure those temperature, conductivity, color, opaqueness, stirring rate, viscosity, while simultaneously mixing the solution. Now you imagine your stirrer bar, which is magnetic stirrer bar, is stirring, and at the same time it is giving you these many data. So it is just revisiting that old lab tool, and whirling wonder, you may say this, and it can collect the physical property data continuously for more than 100 hours, and even you can transmit this information wirelessly, so that the chemists who are working on that particular reaction can get that real time information, like what is taking place right now. So cheers to this team. Basically they invented that is smart stirrer, and it is nothing but a small device, a 3D printed capsule in which they have stacked different sensor boards together, and they have made it online, free. The software is available. However, they claim that the overall material and components are costing very less than $20. Coming to the last one, which is the third one, that's a robot. Now as a chemist or a researcher, we know that when we optimize the chemical transformation, we have to repeat the reaction with small adjustments, like we change the reagent, solvents, catalyst, and this is really time consuming. But what the researcher Benjamin Berger and Cooper have decided, they have made a robot, and that robot do that all that grunt work. They have utilized the robot to perform over 688 experiments in just 8 days, and with the goal of optimizing a photocatalytic process that generates hydrogen gas from water. I have mentioned the references everywhere, so if you would like to go in detail, you can revisit the article available there, and revisit the article available on CNEN newsletter of ACS, American Chemical Society. Now this robot is using artificial intelligence to adjust that and optimize that concentration of the chemicals, and after doing that, you cannot believe that the mixture that is produced 6 times as much as hydrogen as the starting mixture. Now you can see what a wonderful tool it is. Like, it is cumbersome for us as a chemist to optimize these many things, and it take days to perform a particular experiment. But the robot is very fast moving. You can see the video available on net. And this mobile robot, actually they have made a spin out company also, which they call it as Mobotics, in order to commercialize the robot. So thank you. So if you do like, please hit like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'm coming with more of the videos just like that. Thank you so much.